Before finding the perfect practice mentorship, I was really trying to figure out how I was going to structure my business. Some of the struggles I had were being able to put a course out there. So the great thing about the perfect practice mentorship is they gave us the blueprint. So they gave us, the modules and everything, and then we were able to customize it and make it our own, which is what I really loved, because honestly, I hesitated to do something like that because I like to create my own thing. I don't want to have to use someone else's model, but I allowed myself to just do it and use it as it was, and then I've refined it as I've gone along. And it was like really what I was looking for in a program, because he talks about the 5 freedoms, and he was bringing in the spiritual piece with the business, bringing in the mindset. And also you go to do so many different programs and this like grind, do, and he's all about, you can't kill yourself in the process of building your business. You have to bring in the self-care, do things that you love and align it with your values. The quality of my life has changed since joining the mentorship, having confidence in myself, and I feel like I've grown a lot. It's not so much, not just the business piece that we're given so much valuable information on and all kinds of trainings, but I feel like for me, it's been a big piece of the personal development. So one of my biggest takeaways from being a part of the mentorship, it's one of those places where you really feel like it's a safe place to go and share, to go and talk about things, to connect with people. He has a Facebook group, and it's just an amazing community. Everyone's so helpful, and they're willing to, support you and provide information if you just ask. So I think that's been one of the biggest things, is I've always been one of those that I need to do it on my own. I can do it on my own. I don't need to ask for help. And I think that's been one of the biggest takeaways, is that, when you ask, people actually genuinely care and want to help. What surprised me the most about the Perfect Practice Mentorship is the amount of information that we're provided in there, from Facebook ads to marketing to building your business, funnels, webinars, everything you could possibly want is there available to us. And I think it's amazing because Sachin will bring in top names and have them come and speak to us and then provide us with information. So he's always giving us a holistic way of building your business. The Perfect Practice Mentorship has definitely given me the tools to move forward and grow in my practice, giving us these modules, giving us the PowerPoint presentations. Again, we can adjust them and modify them, but I just thought, I'm going to put it out there the way it is, and I'm going to move forward. And I did, and I'm so glad that I did, because I was able to help a lot of people initially through that process. Since joining the Perfect Practice Mentorship, my business has definitely grown and transformed for the better. I've been able to help a lot of people through the process, and it was really exciting because one day I signed on 5 clients in that one day. So it's like one of those things where you don't think that that's possible. You hear other people say that's what I've done, but you don't think it's really possible for you. To anyone that's looking for an amazing community to be a part of, that you feel, just like a genuine love and caring in that community. You just don't know until you get in there and experience it. But I've been a part of a lot of different programs, and I haven't felt that in many other programs that I've been in. And I love when we have our weekly calls and he starts it off with a meditation or some kind of exercise to really get us grounded, to help us reduce stress, to help us to visualize. I think if you're looking to grow your business, if you're looking to even, if you feel like you're stuck or you're not really sure where to turn, you're looking for a mentor, you're looking for guidance, looking to be a part of community, this is the place to be. It's full of amazing people, and there's so much information that you can't possibly go wrong by joining the Perfect Practice Mentorship, and you'll find what you need here, I'm sure. Georgia Brown, Parker, Colorado.